Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is my second video of my 6-part series for Halloween. And today we are going to be making a drawing of a ghost holding a trick-or-treating basket. Now, this is actually just a tiny bit more than a drawing. So it's gonna be a little cardboard cutouts thingy. So, you will need a pencil and colored pencils, which you can pick the colors of your colored pencils, which they're going to be the color of the candy. You also need a Sharpie, cardboard, and glue. Now you can use whatever kind of glue. I'm using just like a stick of glue, like this. And since it's going to be a cutout thingy, you'll also need scissors. Let's get started. To get started, we will start by drawing the trick-or-treating basket. So, you're gonna draw 2 lines like that, and then a line to connect them so it's like a little U. Then, draw like this and stop about right there. Now to make it the design of like a bag, I'm gonna do that and put a line, but stop right there. And draw a little curve, and then make it zigzaggy at the top. Now we can actually fill it with candy. So I'm going to fill it with a candy that looks like that, and a candy that looks like that, and maybe a lollipop, and maybe a chocolate bar right there. Now you can make the candies whatever kind you want, but I'll zoom in a little to show you what my candies look like. So now we can actually draw the ghost. So starting about right here, you'll draw a squiggly line that goes about till here. So then you'll draw it up to right there and make it a nice curve. Then kind of add a little thing like that so that it looks like the ghost is holding on. And draw little lines right here so it also looks like the ghost is holding it. Now, put 2 big eyes like that. Now, most ghosts probably will seem scary, but this is a nice ghost, and he wants to be your friend. Now, we can move on to the outlining and coloring. So let's start outlining. This is when you'll need your Sharpie. So, take your Sharpie and outline the entire outside of the ghost and the candy bag. This is what I do because it's easier than I just outline the inside parts. But you can start outlining it however you want. But basically everywhere you put a line, you'll outline there. And so it should look like this while you're outlining it. Not like to where everything is super thick, but not to where it's super thin. Then, once you have outlined all of your stuff, you can even outline the eyes and then color them in. And you can add like color to your eyes if you want, but I'm just adding plain black eyes like that. So now that you have your ghost holding the candy bag, it's time to get your colored pencils. And you could use crayons, markers, whatever. but I am using colored pencils. So you can pick whatever your colors you want to draw. So I have chosen a gold colored pencil, which when I write it out doesn't always look like gold, to kind of put on that side of the bag. Then I will use an actual brown right here to fill this part in. Now I will just use a little magic. And now I have colored that part in. Now I can make it easier and just color in the candy real quickly. So I'm gonna color this candy in pink, and then I'll color in this one a green candy, and then I'll make a yellow candy, and a red candy. Now that you have that, we can cut it out and then glue it onto the cardboard. Now that I have that, I can just, bam, it's all cut out. Now that I have that cut out, I'm just gonna push my paper to the side. I'm going to take my little ghost and set that aside and take my cardboard. So I'm gonna put my ghost onto the cardboard and trace around my ghost. Like that. So now that I've traced around the ghost, I can cut it out on the cardboard. And it doesn't matter if it's not super perfect, because no one's gonna see that part. They're just gonna see the cute little ghost. Now, I'll take this and cut it into a piece like that. So you're gonna take your ghost and your glue, and you're gonna put the glue on the cardboard and put the ghost on the cardboard and let that dry on there. Once that has dried, you can put some glue on the back and attach this on. Now this might be easier to do with one of these. They're like glue pens. So I'm gonna put the glue on there and then put this on and let that dry.